Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. In the video today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make striped Rice Krispie treats. They are so cool looking and easy to make. They don't cost a lot of money to make, but they do look like they do. The ingredients you need are Rice Krispies, mini marshmallows, butter, food coloring, and cookie cutters of your choice, or you can just cut squares if you prefer. Start by greasing a bread pan. Then cut a piece of parchment paper and grease it well. You can use butter or spray cooking oil or shortening. Put your piece of parchment paper in the bread pan and cover it all over the bottom and sides. In a microwave-safe bowl, put about a tablespoon of butter into the bowl. Add 1½ cups of marshmallows. Microwave this for about 35 to 45 seconds in the microwave. It's fun to watch the marshmallows puff up as they are being microwaved. I tried to film this, even though it was a little hard to see. You can tell they're puffing up. Take your bowl out of the microwave and add whatever color you want to it. Stir it around until the coloring is spread all over the marshmallow butter mix. Then add 1⅓ cups of Rice Krispies and stir. Get a clean spoon and rub butter on the back of the spoon to use to spread the Rice Krispie treat mixture evenly into the bread pan. Wash your bowls and spoons. Repeat this process for each layer that you do. I did 5 layers, which is enough to make it to the top of the bread pan. Put the bread pan into the fridge to cool for about 10 or 20 minutes or until it is firm enough to cut. Then take the bread pan out of the fridge and pull out the Rice Krispie treats by pulling up on the parchment paper carefully. Put this on the counter and pull the sides of the parchment paper down. Take a big knife and slice through the layers, kind of like you would slice a loaf of bread. Then you can cut it into squares or any shape that you want. These are easy to make and they look really cool. You can make them for any holiday, special occasions, or just because you want to. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.